1. Knowledge of rise and fall, observing phenomena arising and ceasing. Joy and rapture often accompany this stage. The meditator sees impermanence vividly. Stage 2. Knowledge of dissolution, awareness shifts to the constant dissolution of phenomena. The meditator sees that everything breaks down, nothing endures. This can bring both clarity and a sense of urgency. Stage 3. Knowledge of fearfulness, seeing dissolution leads to fear. All conditioned things are unstable. The meditator realizes there is no refuge in worldly phenomena. Stage 4. Knowledge of danger, fear matures into recognition of danger and clinging. Attachment is seen as a trap. Stage 5. Knowledge of disenchantment, the mind turns away from conditioned phenomena. A deep weariness with sasra arises. Stage 6. Knowledge of desire for deliverance, the meditator longs for release. Practice intensifies with renewed energy. Stage 7. Knowledge of reflection, careful reflection on the path. Balancing effort, mindfulness, and concentration. Stage 8. Knowledge of equanimity, profound equanimity toward all phenomena. Neither clinging nor aversion dominates. The mind is steady, balanced, and clear. Stage 9. Knowledge of conformity, insight aligns with the path. The mind is ready for breakthrough. Stage 10. Knowledge of change, of lineage transition from ordinary mind to noble path mind. A moment of crossing over. Stage 11. Path knowledge, direct realization of nibbana. Defilements are cut off at their root. Stage 12. Fruition knowledge, the bliss of liberation. The meditator rests in the fruit of the path. These stages are not abstract. They describe the living journey of the mind as it awakens. At first, we see rise and fall, then dissolution, then fear, danger, disenchantment, and finally, equanimity and breakthrough. Each stage is a natural unfolding when mindfulness is sustained. Key point: insight is not an end in itself. It is the path to nibbana. By seeing impermanence, craving loses its fuel. By seeing suffering, attachment weakens. By seeing non-self, the illusion of I dissolves. When craving and ignorance are uprooted, liberation is realized. Nibbana is not something far away. It is the cessation of craving here and now. When insight matures, the mind lets go. And in that letting go, freedom shines. This is how insight leads to liberation. Think of a fire. As long as fuel is added, the fire burns. But when the fuel is exhausted, the fire goes out. In the same way, when craving is exhausted through insight, the fire of suffering is extinguished. That is Nibbana. Today we explored the Vipassana Dipani, the purpose of insight meditation, clear seeing.